story coming in from the US Embassy, in fact, has issued a warning for Indian students that are studying in the US. This is a message that has been put out by the US Embassy warning Indian students about what will happen if they drop out. In fact, let me get in Disha Bagchi, my colleague, to exactly tell us what is the warning that has been issued by the US Embassy and how does this impact the Indian students who are studying there in the US right now. Over to you, Disha.
In fact, this is a crucial warning and it comes in line with various warnings that the US Embassy in India has been sharing on their social media over the past couple of weeks now. And this one particularly for Indian students and all foreign students studying in the US. In fact, they've said that the visa, their student visa could be revoked if they skip classes, if in any way their student status is taken away or is hampered in any sense. That could mean that they have a possibility of losing their visa. And it has strictly said that you must maintain your student status to avoid any issues with your visa. So this is a significant statement and it comes in line. And to give some context to our viewers, the Trump administration has been increasing its crackdown on foreign students, on elite universities in the US, as well as certain programs, including the H-1B visa program, the OPT program, which is in regards with students seeking work opportunities in the US. All of them have been under the radar of the Trump administration. And now this statement, warning and this statement coming in from the US Embassy is crucial. And just to read out exactly what they said, that if you drop out or skip classes or leave your program of study without informing the school, there is a possibility that you could lose your visa status. So quite a significant and important message coming in from the embassy. And it comes, as I mentioned,
in college. When students are in college, it's okay to skip a couple of classes, but this kind of a diktat where even if you skip classes, your visa status can actually be revoked is probably the strongest message that goes out to international students and comes in the backdrop of huge uncertainty related to visas, huge uncertainty related to programs. Add to it the general mood that as right now in America, to a large extent, is turning against immigrants, not just legal immigrants as well. And I'm not even getting into the Harvard saga, where 800 students don't know whether they will actually get their degree or not. Explain to us, talk to us about how this just worsens the atmosphere for a country which relies so heavily on international students for their big universities.
Absolutely, this is quite a significant statement. Does bring a lot of uncertainty for Indian students who are pursuing their education in the US at the moment, and also students who are expected to go to the US to attend to these elite universities in the upcoming couple of months. Remember that the next session of programs begin in the next couple of months in August, September. So this is it causes a lot of uncertainty, especially even if we look at Harvard, for example. 800 Indian students who are studying in Harvard are now seeing an uncertain future. And in terms of not just this statement, the fact that skipping classes could hurt your visa status, but also the US has been warning against Indian students who travel back home during summer break, because that could mean that they might not be able to re-enter into the US. So quite a period of uncertainty and unease for Indian students.
Indeed. Maybe this will also be another fresh legal battle that the Trump administration will have to deal with when it comes to immigration and visa-related changes. Thanks much, Disha, for bringing us up to speed with that breaking news. Shifting focus.